When I talk about downtime, there's always an associated cost to downtime. Each facility is going to be different. It could range from $1,000 an hour or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the operation and the client. Well, there's lots of examples, but one that kind of comes to mind is we had a mine site up north with a Eaton UPS system in that facility, and the building that the UPS resided in took 2 direct lightning strikes and took out the UPS system. The UPS itself did its job, it saved the downstream loads, but the UPS ended up sacrificing and was damaged beyond repair. So that UPS needed to be replaced, which cost a significant amount of dollars, caused downtime for that segment of the mine, and then there was a time to replace and do the installation. So a significant amount of downtime and cost of downtime to the owner, which if we had a surge protector in front of that UPS system, we could have saved the UPS and the downstream equipment, and that would have been a fraction of the cost to do so. There is associated cost to loss of production, replacing the product. Has anyone put a dollar value to that?